Hey, good afternoon everybody. Good to see you all back on the channel. I am, well, lo and behold, I'm headed back up into the Blue Mountains. Going back up to an area that I scouted a while back. I've been there twice for sunset and haven't really had any luck. But yeah, I'm still currently off work. With an infection in my left arm, my left elbow, so I'm just taking it easy, but at the same time I can't stay trapped in the house. So I figured I'd go and find an advantage point where I don't have to do a big hike or anything like that, and yeah, see if I can enjoy a sunset. But I've left a little bit earlier today. Sunset's not for a few hours yet. I'm going to head up there, and there's 3 different places up where I'm going. So I want to drive down a couple of different roads and see what is there, if there's anything other than what I found on my scouting mission a couple of weeks ago. So yeah, I'll go up and give that a go, and I guess I'll take yous along on the scouting mission and see what we can find. And if I can find something that looks promising, I'll probably pull up my boots there and settle for that. But I'll definitely go and check out this other road before I pull up my boots in that spot, because I've got the time up here, so I may as well use it to scout out another road there and see what comes of that. Yeah, wonderful day, man. Got out of the doctors from a checkup on this infection in my arm, and got some high blood pressure I need to deal with, and probably a few kilos I need to lose. So getting older, the joys. Anyhow, we'll actually, not to top that, I got out of the doctors and got told to lose a few kilos and maybe go on some blood pressure medication next week, if they check my blood every day for a week and my blood pressure's high. But yeah, I come out of the corner and failed to stop at a stop sign and pulled out right in front of a cop. So yeah, 3 points and $400. Woohoo! Anyway, that's life, I guess. Bit of a reality check to watch myself. Definitely not above these things. Anyhow, we'll yeah, I'll whip this camera back out when I get up there, and we'll have a look around and see what we can find up there. I've got a short hill over here to walk up, so I can have a look at the viewpoint out there, see if there's anything I can find that'll work with a bit of foreground interest leading out into the mountains there. Well, I sort of need to see what the mountains look like out there too. But yeah, I've just pulled up here, and there's this, just over here, there's this lone sort of interesting tree. I mean, even with the current light and clouds that we have at the back there, it looks pretty cool. So I'll give you a look at it, and I'm definitely going to shoot it. So that's it there. So you can see that's pretty cool. I'll get my camera out before I walk up this hill and take a shot of this while I can. I don't mind that. I reckon it looks pretty good. But if it does look any good, I'll put up a shot and let me know what you think of it. I reckon that come up all right. Well, I actually haven't processed the image yet. Obviously, I'm still making this video, but it looked pretty good in camera. All the high clouds, nice soft light, and the couple of low clouds moving in around over behind the back of it. Anyway, I'm almost up the top of this hill. We'll have a look and see what we can find. Wow, stunning rock formation up here. Look at that, that's really cool. A few others over here, where I am now, and really along this whole ridge, I guess. Definitely a shot for photography here. I mean, that tree down there alone I could shoot at sunset. So I can see a trail up and over there too. So I wouldn't mind hiking up there one time and shooting the sunset out and in towards over there. So at the moment the sunset's out there somewhere. But yeah, I'll have a bit of a look around here and see what I can find. Extra on it this year because it's been something I wanted to catch for a while and just never done it. But the other shot I wouldn't mind catching up here is with this rock in the foreground, which is pretty darn cool. I'll give you a look at it. I will name this rock Crocodile Head, or Crocodile Rock I should say. But anyway, let me turn the camera around, I'll give you a look at it. So that's it there, and you can see it's got the shape of a crocodile head, and I will use that in the foreground and lead out to that same background out there, and again that'll be a vertical shot. So it doesn't line exactly out there, it sort of comes across, but it doesn't completely block the image. So while it might not exactly lead your eye into the scene, it'll still be a pretty cool anchor, and pretty unique, to be honest. Some of the rock formations up here like that. So yeah, I will have a look around here, see if I can find another shot. I feel like there's another shot back over here up and on the rock, or even just standing on this rock here, and or even over here, and just standing there and just putting a bit of human element out there. The sun setting, there's big beautiful mountains out there, and yeah, so it depends how long the light lasts here today. At the moment it's looking like it's going to be pretty bang on, so if that does happen, I will absolutely get a high tail on and see if I can shoot 2 or 3 images from this spot here today, because the mountains is a tough one to get. You know, the weatherman predicts one thing and it doesn't happen. So yeah, let me give this a go. I'm going to drive up the road to another place, just have a quick look up there while I'm over here on this side of the mountains and see what's over there. But yeah, I'll try and smash out 2 or 3 images from this spot this evening if I can, and see how we go. But I will definitely come back on with the video and load those photos up. So bear with me, and yeah, the sun will set soon enough and we'll get to work. Alrighty, so sunset is slowly encroaching, and again, this place looks like it's going to do some weird shit to me weather-wise, which is a little annoying. It's yeah, man, I don't know what's going on. Somebody doesn't want me to shoot up here. But I'm here, and hopefully this little bit of low cloud that is moving through won't affect the light or the colour in the sky. It's not even meant to be here. It's meant to just be high cloud, total high cloud, no low cloud at all. So I know we've got some big weather systems moving in at the moment, but right now the sun's pretty soft and it's golden light. I'll usually shoot anywhere 90 minutes before the sun sets and 20 minutes after it sets. You know, sunrise I'll shoot 20 minutes before it rises, and up to 90 minutes after it rises. Just depends where you are and what you're doing. I've got side light here too, so you know, it casts nice shadows on one side and light on the other side. But I'll turn this camera around and give you a look. I've just gone out and onto the rock over there and taken a photo over there, just to show a little bit of a human element, some perspective in the image. Yeah, as you can see out there, you got nice soft shadows and nice soft golden light, which is casting some it's pretty interesting if you ask me. But the clouds don't look too bad in the photo, I don't think. But yeah, I figured I'd get that one off because I really don't know what's going to happen out here with the light. It seems to be extremely unpredictable, but I'm here, so I'll keep going until the sun has set and any chance of colour has come or gone or not. So anyway, if that shot was any good, here it is, and yeah, leave us your feedback in the comments below. Alrighty, so I have shot with the flowers that I pointed out earlier on. I've taken shots in two different flowers in the same spot, both the flannel flowers. They're a lovely flower, and one bunch is a little bigger than the other, but on the side of one of those flowers is a bit of a rock, and I feel like it's a little distracting, so I came a little bit further up and shot with a different flower as well. So now I have shot now, because the sun's still high enough that it has a nice soft golden glow that drop down on the flowers, and yeah, bang on. So look, at the end of the day, it's still nice soft blue light in the sky. You can see those clouds rolling over. I don't think it'll be a bad image, but right now I don't know, obviously, till I get them back and process them and put them into the video. But I think they might be okay. Anyhow, I'll turn this camera around and give you a look. So that there, I'll see if I can turn this on for you. So that there is one of the shots, and I don't mind that, it's got some nice light. And the other shot was down here. So I had this rock to the left that sort of breached in on the image. I might be able to Photoshop it out, but I just don't know. But yeah, let out into the nice same soft golden light. But I'm here still. I don't know if there's going to be any colour in the sky. It seems to be a little bit breaking into the edges of those clouds. But yeah, I'll get a move on. I'll go over and shoot the crocodile rock that I found earlier on. And the light has pretty much disappeared off these flowers, as you can see. But yeah, I'll get over there and see if I can make anything of that. I think these flower shots should be okay. But let me turn this around again. So to do these images, I had to bracket them because I was very close to the flowers. So, you know, one shot for the flowers, one shot for the midground, one shot for the background. And I'll bring all them together in Photoshop. That way it's sharp from front to back. But otherwise the one or the other would have been out of focus, and I don't think it would have looked good. The flowers are definitely a good part of the image. But let me get over here to the crocodile rock, and we'll see what colour breaks out in the sky, and I'll give that a go. But again, I don't mind the light that was on the flowers. It is spring, and yeah, I think the clouds and the soft blue sky and the golden light sitting on the flowers was really nice. So I'm pretty happy with that, I think. But we'll see what it looks like when I process them, and we'll see what light comes in the sky for this crocodile rock. So I've just set up here at the Crocodile Rock, and those clouds behind me, they seem a little too low. I don't think they'll catch any light after the sun goes down. They just look like they're holding a bit of water. It is what it is, but I thought I'd give you a look at the composition so you can see what I was talking about. It does lead your eye into it, but it sort of doesn't as well. But it definitely doesn't cross across the image and make you think, oh, my eyes will stop here. So your eyes will still wander through the image. But let me turn the camera around, I'll give you a look. So there you can see what I'm saying. But I don't mind that, eh? That's a pretty cool find. Definitely looks like the head of a crocodile. I think that's brilliant. I'll definitely come back here and follow up on this one. I'll come back here many times in the future, I think. And yeah, hopefully the weatherman will get it right up here one day, and I'll get some nice skies. I do think the flower shots and the shot of me standing out on the rock earlier on should come up okay. This one probably not. So yeah, always a good excuse to revisit. But anyhow, I'll chuck all the shots up. Thanks for coming along.